Welcome back to News Trading Channel. Today we have an exciting property tour for you. Nestled in the tranquil, gated community of Calusa Bay, this stunning 4-bedroom, 2.5-bathroom home is a dream come true. Stay tuned as we take you through every corner of this magnificent property. Let's start our tour from the outside. As you can see, the house boasts a beautifully landscaped front yard with palm trees, offering a warm, welcoming curb appeal. The home is located in Calusa Bay, a Tuscan-style gated community known for its picturesque fish ponds, golf courses, and beautifully manicured landscaping. This neighborhood also features a community swimming pool, perfect for those hot summer days. Stepping inside, the first thing you'll notice is the spacious, open floor plan. The living room is expansive, featuring tile flooring throughout the living space, high ceilings with crown molding, and a ceiling fan to keep the air circulating. Adjacent to the living room is the dining area, which can comfortably accommodate a large dining table, making it ideal for family dinners and entertaining guests. Moving on to the kitchen, you'll find a chef's dream space with a breakfast bar, granite countertops, and updated stainless steel appliances. The wood cabinetry includes a wine rack, adding a touch of elegance. The open layout ensures that you can interact with your guests or family while preparing meals. On the first floor, there's also a cozy bedroom, perfect for guests or as a home office. Adjacent to it, you'll find a convenient half bath with modern fixtures. Upstairs, the master suite is nothing short of luxurious. It features a large balcony, providing a private outdoor space to relax. The master bath includes a double vanity, a garden tub, a separate shower, and a spacious walk-in closet. The suite also features cathedral and tray ceilings, adding to the sense of space and luxury. The upper floor also houses 2 additional bedrooms, both with carpet flooring for added comfort. They share a full bathroom with modern amenities and plenty of storage space. This home is equipped with an array of smart home amenities, including 2 top-of-the-line Trane XV18 True Comfort heat pump systems, a security camera, ADT security system, and Philips Hue lighting. You can control many aspects of the home using your smartphone or Amazon Show, including lighting, temperature, and even the front door lock. This gorgeous home in Calusa Bay truly has it all: luxury, comfort, and modern conveniences. If you're interested in this property, don't hesitate to contact us for more information. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to News Trading Channel for more amazing property tours. For more details, click the link in the description.